By Looney, gusto ko nang i-refresh yung bahay namin pero ayoko rin ng uso lang ngayon. Tapos laos agad. Ano ba yung design trends na smart at may value pa rin ngayon sa 2025? Sakto ka sa tanong mo. Ito ang top 5 timeless but trending ideas na pwede mong gawin. Pang-elevate ng bahay mo at pwedeng dagdag sa value kung magbenta ka someday. 1. In sustainability, out flashy furniture, invest sa quality pieces over mura pero disposable. Eco-conscious plus built to last equals practical plus premium vibe. Try mo, vintage, locally sourced, or custom furniture. Number 2. In cozy plus warm neutrals. Out cold plus gray everything. Goodbye cool gray. Hello warm earth tones, brass fixtures at classic wood floors. Mas inviting plus emotionally attractive sa buyers. 3. In bold accents. Out all white everything. Accent walls, bold trim, graphic wallpapers sa powder room. Go! For resale, stick to bold accessories, not fixed finishes. Number 4. In biophilic design. Out industrial vibe. Bring in nature, plants, rattan, light woods at natural light. Mood boosting plus stress reducing equals yes, please. 5. In functionality. Out form overuse. Multi-use rooms, stain-resistant fabrics, low-maintenance floors. Perfect for today's busy Pinoy families and remote workers. Ang galing! Hindi lang pala aesthetic, strategic din for long-term use at future resale. Exactly, hindi lahat ng uso sulit. Pero kung tama ang guidance, pwede kang mag-style na may dagdag value. Plano mong i-update ang bahay mo? I-message mo lang ako, usap tayo kung aling upgrades ang makakatulong sa lifestyle mo ngayon at makakadagdag sa value bukas.